Hello and welcome to DIY EV Mods. On this episode I'm going to talk about how my bumper came back from the body shop all nice and painted, and we are going to try, man, my camera really does not want to focus on that. We're going to try to make, using these pieces and this fake carbon fiber roll, we're going to try to make some pieces for inside of here on both sides, and for the center piece where the exhaust would be if I had an exhaust system, but being electric I don't have that, so I'm going to cover it up with this piece covered in this carbon fiber roll. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to roll this out, set this on top of it, use the tools that came with it to slap it on there. So I'm going to do that and I will get back to you. So the first thing that I need to do, roll out the wrap, and then I'm gonna have to cut this out, and then it looks like it's gonna be a peel and stick, and then use the hair dryer to kind of help set it. And then the kit also gave me this spreader to get out all the air bubbles. So when I get this cut out and on there, I will show you that process. Okay, so now I've got this all cut out, so I just need to peel it and stick it on here, and then spread out the, get all the air bubbles out. And here's what it looks like after I'm all done. It did kind of squish this way on me a little bit, but that's fine because this will be covered by the bumper because it's going to sit on the inside. Just like that, so you won't even notice. Now I just got to decide how I want to get it to attach there. What I'm thinking is I'm going to run a bead of like a silicone, or use the adhesive that I used, 3M sticky tape, or epoxy, the epoxy that I used to fix the other parts. Now, I can't find my epoxy, so I'm going to just try this 3M sticky tape on there and see if that works. I'll just cut it down to the width of that and just have a couple of spots that I have it, and then I'll place it on there and we'll see how that looks. Alright, so here we go. I got all my 3M sticky tape adhered to that. Now I just gotta peel, and I will stick this on there and we'll see how it looks. Okay, so now that I've got this here in, looks like it's holding. I don't want to push too much on it though. Now I'm going to work on getting these in here, and I cut a template and I've been working with it. Seems to be fitting pretty well. So now I'm just gonna, then I traced this side here because I'm thinking they should be identical, just, you know, backwards. So I'll get that cut out and we'll go from there. And here we go. It's fitting pretty well. All the grooves are lining up. I think the same thing on this one. Maybe that's the one that wasn't correct. Okay, it just took 2 hands to get this one in here. But, so then we got both sides now. Now I'm just going to put that carbon fiber wrap on it, and then we'll put some 3M sticky tape on these little tabs here. There they are. And get them installed. Okay, now that I got this carbon fiber cut out, I went ahead and washed off the paint on this. I left it a little wet because a lot of times with this, anything vinyl sticky like this, if you leave it just damp, it helps the vinyl slide over it better and helps let the air bubbles out easier. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on, use my little scraper to keep any air bubbles off. Okay, now I got them both done, and I think it looks really good. So I'm going to 3M sticky tape these things on here, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. So here's the finished product. I think it looks really nice. If I was to do it again, I would probably wrap the carbon fiber around the edge of the plastic so you don't have this white stuff sticking out. But other than that, I think it looks really good. I'm going to cut this video off right here, but I do have more videos coming out about this bumper, different aspects of putting it back on. If you like this video, please press the like button, subscribe to my channel, and as always, thanks for watching.